And our focus will be upon Gurgaon, Greater Noida, Bhiwadi and Jaipur property markets. We have Ritesh on the phone line. Welcome to the Property Show. What is your question?
Yeah, hi. Recently, I changed my job from Noida to Gurgaon, and I'm looking for a property near my office. My office is in Sector 48, and looking to buy a home in the budget of 1.1 crore approximately.
Okay, so you're looking for a ready-to-move-in property, 3 BHK in 1 crore budget. Which sectors are within his reach, Samir?
Since your priority is big developers and premium amenities, we are recommending you the new Gurgaon region. You could have looked at Sector 69 and 70 also, but the infrastructure over there is not good enough and the amenities provided are also not at the same league or level as what is being provided by the big developers of new Gurgaon region. So that's where now livability has also started to happen. There are 700 odd families that moved into DLF Town Heights as well over the last 1 year. The Vatikas project also has people living in now. So keeping that in mind, new Gurgaon region it is, starting with Sector 81 going up to 88B, where the inventory overhang is also safe at 19 months. We're talking about with respect to ready properties only. Mid segments weighted average price stands at 4750 rupees a square foot. And for ready properties, appreciation has been there, still low though, 6.5% on an annualized basis. The three projects that you can consider are Parkview Ananda by Bestech Group. This is a project in Sector 81. This is a part of the Bestech's larger residential development in the same sector, which also includes Parkview Grand Spa and limited villas. This is around 500 meters from the main NH08. It's on the main sector road and constructed by Bestech only. Apartment comes with split ACs, modular kitchen and wooden flooring as well, and amenities here include clubhouse, kids pool, sports facilities, amphitheatre and some more amenities. The next project is Gurgaon 21 by Vatika Limited. This pricing is 4,900 to 5,100 all inclusive, so very attractive pricing. Part of the Vatika India Next 700 acre integrated township comprising of Sector 82, 83 and 84 and 85. It's located on an internal road in close proximity to the under construction Dwarka Expressway as well. Project is partially ready for 9 towers. Possession is in progress, while for 3 towers finishing work is getting completed and handover is just about to start. The project includes a clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis court and gym. And lastly, we have a project from DLF, which is New Town Heights, which I was just mentioning about. Even cheaper than the Vatika project, between 45 and 4,900 rupees. This project is basically a part of Sector 91 and 90 and also 86. This particular project is spread across 23 acres of land. The project is got all the necessary amenities and facilities that we were talking about in the previous 2 projects. And the other unique part is that it will also house an in-house shopping complex within the project. That's the other USP of this project.
Okay, summing up, there are plenty of options for you, Ritesh, from reputed developers. Parkview Ananda by Bestech Group is one. Gurgaon 21 by Vatika Limited is the second recommendation from our side. And the third project which you can look into is New Town Heights by DLF Limited.